Hello, small world. Welcome back to the food forest. It's mid-June and we are looking at a cheberry, a Chinese mulberry. It's called Cudrania tricuspidata. I'll put the exact name in the description, of course. It's one of the plants that are on the border in terms of growth zone. We are zone 8 and I've created this sort of sun pocket in the design to grow this plant, and it looks quite happy, and it is getting berries. It is making berries, but they are not ripening enough for us to eat. So I'm sort of on the fence to see if I should keep it or use the space for something else. I'm keeping it a couple of years to see if it grows and acclimate. It's finding its space here in the garden. But I've got another one that is really not happy, and it's like it's never woken up this spring. So let's go have a look at that and see what's going on. So as you can see, this is the exact same plant. It's planted a couple of years later than the other one, and it just didn't wake up this year. It's not dead, because I can see that when I see there's still green if I scrape off the bark, so it's not dead. And also if I cut, it looks alive and there's sap coming out. For some reason, it's simply not awake. And I have experienced this twice before in the garden. It's something very strange. I don't know what to do with this one. I'll wait and see if maybe it wakes up if I pleat it, or if I don't know. I'll just see what happens, and if not, I'm gonna have to let it go and plant something else in this space. But I've got an apple tree over here that actually did the same thing, and someone told me to cut off the top of the central branch. It was a tiny tree at that time, and that's what I did. And actually, it looks quite happy. It branched out, of course, because it had the top cut off, but it looks happy and it's yielding quite a lot. Healthy tree. So that was one way to wake it up, and I tried that with the cheberry, but it didn't work. There was another plant also, not this one, but a smaller one, a persimmons, that also sort of fell asleep or never woke up, and I cut the top off, and it's growing, but it's not thriving, not happy. So for some reason this is happening in the garden, and I really don't know why, and I haven't been able to find out. So if any of you know anything about it, please let me know. Yeah, that's just one interesting aspect of growing trees that fall asleep. See you later.